Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you 2 steps to update Windows driver without using any third-party software. So you can follow these steps in Windows 10 and 11. So first of all, the first option is check for update. Just you need to click on check for update and just click on again check for update. And you may see the optional update as well. If you are able to see that, just you need to download and update all the drivers, and including the Windows update will install the pending drivers on your Windows, and this will help you like if the Wi-Fi is not working, audio is not working, so you have to just wait here for some time, and once the updates are done, check for update is green tick here, all the issues will be fixed. But still if something is not working on your Windows, so what we can do is you can open the device manager from here and we can install the particular driver version from here. Let's say I want to install the latest driver of Bluetooth, so I need to right click on the Bluetooth driver and click on update for update drivers, then click on search automatically for drivers. As you can see, if you are seeing this message already installed, that means that you should not able to install the latest Windows. Also you can look for this option, search for updated drivers on Windows Update. It will also search here for the Windows Update, and let's check another driver as well. You can check any one of the drivers here which you want to, like audio drivers. You just need to right click on it, click on update, search automatically, it will install the latest driver. Otherwise you can click on browse, this option, and look for the latest driver from here. This is a manual way, and search automatically is the automatic way to install any drivers on your Windows like this. Okay, so I hope guys this guide helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you, thanks for watching.